What's up guys, I'm back and Instagram came out with a new application called Threads. It's basically what Facebook did with Messenger. Now before talking about the app itself, I'm going to show you how to set it up. It's pretty simple, just use your Insta account to sign in and you're set from there. And you have to choose a close friend list, so if you already have one, don't bother making a new one. If you don't, just go ahead and make a new one. From here you have to choose a status. It's an auto status that keeps on changing. You have from chilling, vacation, on shopping, a lot of stuff. You can just select any or skip it up. It's up to you. Once you choose it, you're done and click on turn on and click on OK from here, and you have to accept your location services. Make sure that is turned on, and from here you have to choose a theme. So make sure you select any of these. There are a couple of them: daylight, twilight, and midnight. Now my favorite has to be midnight. It's pretty simple, black with purple and orange. My choice. Just select it and you are set and you're done from here. Now your app is set up. You have to just give permissions to camera and microphone and your gallery. That is pretty basic step. Just click on OK and you're pretty much done from here. Now it opens a camera and you can just switch to cameras and all that stuff. And when you snap a picture, you can like draw and stuff and just take text or all that stuff. But you cannot add like questions and all that stuff. So that is not available. And not even stickers, so that is kind of weird. Maybe they added in future updates. So you can change your fonts and all the stuff you can do with fonts back on Instagram. From here, just send it and choose your friend, or if you have a story or if you have a close friend list, this story will go to that list itself. Now you can see I only have one friend in here, and that is also me, but you can add as many as you want, unlike me. Now if you scroll from the bottom, you have your gallery. You can just send pictures through there. If you scroll from the bottom to the top, you have everything right here. So you get the camera, you get your ID, and you get all your friend list and all the messages you have sent. And the good part is it just combines both Insta DMs and the messages you sent here right in one place. It's pretty nifty and cool. And you can see this is the theme I selected, so it'll change according to the theme itself. Now if you go inside the settings, you can see we have the close friend, so you can just change the list, add people or remove people from here. Just click on done and you're golden. Now second up, we have the option to change your status. So as I already said, this have this auto status change option in here. You can change it to whatever you want. Then we have the customized camera, so you can just change the people you want inside the camera UI. On the bottom we have create, group, and you have this theme section, so you can just change the theme anytime you want. Let's try out daylight. It's pretty simple with purple colors. And on the bottom we have privacy. Now inside of here you have the activity status, so people will know you're online or offline. Just turn it on or turn it off. And the UI, as I already stated, is pretty simple. Just swipe from the bottom or swipe from the top and you're done. Now when you click on a person's picture, it's just take a pictures, and you have three options from here. You can send it as a picture or as a chat message, and I'm gonna show you how that is different. So I just sent an image to myself, and I already sent an image for myself a couple of seconds ago. You can see right here these two were sent in a different way. Now the first one is inside this bubble, so when you click on it, it expands. The second one is a part of the chat, so it's pretty nifty and simple, and you can just send it in both these ways, so that gets the job done. You can also send these stickers and GIFs just like Insta, so it's pretty simple. As I already said, it is Messenger like Facebook has, but for Instagram, to just amplify things and make them a little more private, so you can just send all this stuff to your close friends instead of sending it to everybody. Now when you open up Instagram, and you can just see inside the DM all these messages I just sent, they're also right inside of here, so you can just use it anytime from both of these applications. But as I said, I prefer the UI on this new Threads application. Now talking about the app itself, well, it wasn't really necessary for Insta to come out with an application just to send messages. I mean, the whole reason we love Instagram is the ability to share stuff right inside the application to the people, and this thing doesn't have that. It is just messages and snaps and pretty much it. It's basically Snapchat, in my opinion, for your close friends. Now Facebook also did this with Messenger, and that works to some extent because that has other functionalities, but this thing does not. And I don't think it's gonna work out for Insta. Now basically, as I said, it's like Snapchat, and we know Snapchat is on the decline. All this application does is send pictures and receive them and just send messages, and that is pretty much it. Now it's a fun little application. Just go out and try it out for yourself. You're gonna love it. It's a nifty application, but it doesn't do much. It doesn't define why Insta needed to have an application just to send messages. Now it's a great place to have like a fun friend zone, so you have all your friends and all that close friend list. So it's pretty cool. It's a private place to chat, and that is pretty much it. Now I hope you guys enjoyed the video. More content coming soon. Until then, please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.